Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use grass to invert your videos on CapCut PC. So select your video and go to adjustments and go to curves, and you're going to do the exact thing that I'm doing. So I'm going to put this down here, and I'm going to put the left up here, and then I'm going to put the right dot to the bottom, and then the left one up top like so. And I'm just going to do that for all of the colors. And let's just do one more here and here. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.